Hi there. Welcome to my channel, Technical Talk. With Yasir today, my topic is affiliate marketing. So let's start the video. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote and sell products or services for another company, and in return, you receive a commission on each sale. Easy, right? But there is more to it than that. In order for affiliate marketing to be successful, there needs to be a relationship between the affiliate and the company they are promoting. This is where many people get confused. They think that they can just sign up for any old affiliate program and start making money. But it doesn't work like that. In order for affiliate marketing to be successful, there needs to be a relationship between the affiliate and the company they are promoting. The affiliate needs to trust the company, and the company needs to trust the affiliate. The affiliate also needs to have a good relationship with their audience. If they are promoting a product or service that they don't believe in, it will show, and their audience will know. That is why it is so important to choose a company to partner with wisely. You need to make sure that you are promoting a product or service that you would use yourself. The most important thing to remember is that affiliate marketing is a business. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you want to be successful, you need to treat it like a business. That means having a plan, setting goals, and working towards those goals. If you do all of these things, then you have a much better chance of being successful with affiliate marketing. But even if you do all of these things, there is no guarantee of success. Just like any other business, your success will ultimately be determined by how much effort you put into it. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In order for affiliate marketing to be successful, there needs to be a relationship between the affiliate and the company they are promoting. The affiliate needs to trust the company, and the company needs to trust the affiliate. The affiliate also needs to have a good relationship with their audience. If they are promoting a product or service that they don't believe in, it will show, and their audience will know. That is, how can earn through affiliate marketing / Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where a person promotes a product or service in exchange for a commission on the sale. For example, if you are an affiliate for a particular product, you would earn a commission every time someone buys that product through your link. There are many ways to earn through affiliate marketing. One way is to find products that you are passionate about and promote them through your blog or website. You can also join affiliate programs and promote the products of other companies through your own website or blog. There are also many affiliate marketing networks that you can join, which will give you access to a larger number of products and services to promote. The most important thing to remember when trying to earn through affiliate marketing is that you need to be creative and think outside the box. There are a lot of people out there promoting the same products, so you need to find a way to stand out from the crowd. One way to do this is to promote products that are not as well known, or to promote products in a unique way. Another way to earn through affiliate marketing is to offer value-added services to your customers. For example, if you are an affiliate for a company that sells software, you could offer customer support or training services. This will make you more valuable to your customers and increase the chances that they will purchase products through your links.